Welcome back to the third lecture in my lecture series Chemistry in the Age of AI, the Future of Drug Discovery and Design. I'm Shifana Sinu, and today we are going to explore the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and metal-based drug design, a cutting-edge area of research that holds enormous promise for treating diseases like cancer, infections, and neurodegenerative disorders. Traditionally, metal complexes, compounds containing a metal atom or ion bond to molecules, have been used in drug design, particularly in chemotherapy agents like cisplatin. These compounds work by interacting with the DNA or other cellular structures to kill cancer cells or inhibit microbial growth. But the challenge lies in optimizing these metal complexes, designing them to be more effective, less toxic, and able to target specific disease pathways. This is where AI steps in. AI is revolutionizing how we design and optimize metal-based therapeutics. Metal complexes have unique properties due to the metal's ability to coordinate with the different ligands, making them a versatile tool in drug design. However, designing these complexes with the right property is a complex task. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data, helps researchers predict how different metals and ligands will interact, what their stability will be, and how they might behave in a biological system. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze existing data on metal complexes and their biological effects, identifying patterns that might be too subtle for human to detect. This enables the design of novel metal-based compounds that could be more selective in targeting specific cells or tissues, improving their therapeutic effectiveness while reducing side effects. One of the most promising applications of AI in metal-based drug design is in cancer treatment. Metal complexes have been used in chemotherapy for decades, but their use is often limited by toxicity and a lack of selectivity for cancer cells. AI can help overcome these limitations by optimizing the metal ligand combination to ensure that the drug targets cancer cells more effectively. For example, AI can predict which metal ions, like platinum or ruthenium, will have the best affinity for DNA or protein involved in cancer cell division. AI can also help design compounds that overcome resistant mechanisms that cancer cells develop against traditional chemotherapy agents. By simulating the interactions between metal complexes and cancerous tissues, AI allows for faster identification of promising compounds, potentially leading to more effective, less toxic treatments. Metal-based drugs also have potential in the fight against infections, particularly those caused by antibiotic-resistant bacteria. AI can help design metal complexes that disrupt bacterial cell membrane or interfere with the critical metabolic pathways in microorganisms. By analyzing the structure of bacterial cells and their interaction with the metal ions, AI can suggest new metal-based drugs that might be more effective at killing bacteria while avoiding harm to human cells. AI can also be used to design antiviral agents. For example, by targeting viral enzymes or structure with metal-based complexes, AI can help create drugs that stop the virus from replicating. The flexibility of metal complexes allows them to bind to different viral targets, making them valuable in treating a wide range of infectious diseases. Another exciting application is in the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Many of these diseases are linked to the accumulation of abnormal proteins in the brain, which can disrupt cellular function. Metal ions such as copper and zinc play a crucial role in the regulation of protein folding and aggregation. By designing metal-based drugs that interact with these proteins, AI can help create therapeutic agents that slow down or prevent the neurodegenerative process. For instance, AI can be used to design metal complexes that bind to the misfolded proteins in Alzheimer's, preventing their aggregation and helping to maintain normal brain function. By leveraging AI's predictive capabilities, researchers can design compounds that are more effective at targeting the specific sites where these proteins accumulate, providing more precise treatments for neurodegenerative diseases. As we look to the future, the role of AI in metal based drug design is only going to grow. The combination of AI's computational power and the unique properties of metal complexes opens up new avenues for treating diseases that were once considered difficult or impossible to tackle. The ability to design and test metal-based drugs in silico before they are ever synthesized or tested in the lab will significantly accelerate the drug development process, making treatments more efficient and cost-effective. Moreover, AI can assist in the development of personalized metal-based therapies by analyzing individual genetic profiles and disease characteristics. AI can help create tailored metal-based treatments that are more effective for specific patient populations. This could lead to breakthroughs in personalized medicine, where each patient receive a treatment designed just for them. However, challenges remain. While AI can predict molecular behavior and optimize drug properties, we must still consider the complex nature of biological system. Testing and clinical trials will continue to play an essential role in validating AI-driven designs. And of course, ethical consideration around data privacy and safety must always be addressed as we integrate AI more deeply into drug discovery. In the next lecture, we will dive deeper into the challenges and opportunities in AI driven drug design, exploring some of the limitations and the exciting potential for overcoming them. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the future of drug discovery.